Hey everybody, I wanted to get on here today and just tell y'all a little bit about what I found to be a fishing report since we got all the rain yesterday and last night. We got about 4.5 inches of rain at my house and brought the lake up quite a bit and turned the upper end up here into pretty much chocolate milk, it looks like out there. So I went out today to look and see about the spawning fish. You know, everybody keeps asking about the spawning fish and what this weather does to them and all that. And I found several things today. I did find spawning fish. I caught those. They were in shallow brush. The mud affects that a little bit, but more importantly, what I wanted to talk about today was color. Everybody asks me about color all the time and what I use. The last probably month and a half in this clear water, this pearl white slider right here has been responsible for catching, I don't know, a few hundred fish over the last month. It works great in clear water. You know, everybody asks, well, what color jig head do you use? Do you use a pink one or a chartreuse or this or that? I use unpainted heads. I've found that color doesn't matter. I know a lot of people, you know, seem to think that it does, and that's fine. What matters to me is the shade of the color. So, for instance, today, that pearl slider I just showed you there, I mean, thousands of fish over the last little while we've caught on it. Get out here in the chocolate milk today, run it over the top of those fish, no reaction. So I dig around and I get on a dark colored lure. This one here, basically the same thing as a slider. Caught my limit on it. all that matters to me is that fish can see that bait, and it's pretty evident with live scope now that you can tell. You know, you run a bait over the top of their head and they don't move. You hold it there, they finally will turn and look at it, but they strike at it and miss it a lot. I put that dark colored one on and they went to biting it like crazy. I mean, they could see it no problem. So to answer that question as far as color goes, I don't get too tied up in that. I mean, the sliders that I use this time of year in the spring, I use pearl up here in this clear water. It's just what I like to use. They can see it good, but in instances like this, I find something dark colored and it works just fine. I've never had any issue with that. So I did get out and find some of the spawning fish today, like I said. Also, I did find some post-spawn fish today too. There's a pretty good bite for that too if you can get a bait in front of them. Caught lots of fish today, even in this mud. It kind of helps with, you know, getting up on those fish a little bit better as well and not spooking them so bad, it seems to me like. So anyway, if you're looking to get out in the next little bit, give me a call. I've got some availability, and if the mornings are going to be bad with this weather we got, you know, we can do evening trips as well if we need to. So anyway, just give me a call if you're looking to go catch some crappie. I did have some pretty good fish today. You know, they're just good solid keeper fish. But anyway, thanks for everybody's support, and make sure you wear your life jacket.